Now, nearly $10 billion. Well, that's the value of smartphones India shipped out in just 3 months. And you know what? It's a record. From April to June, this quarter, it kind of reveals a pattern about where global smartphone manufacturing is heading towards. You know where I'm going to head towards? Is going to try to break down that 82% stack which I keep talking about to you, which is the fact that 82% of our viewers have still not subscribed to the channel. So, well, the idea and the endeavor is to, well, work together and bring that down and increase the liking, sharing and subscribing. Truly helps us. Thank you so much for your kind support. And now, for that record, let's get into it. Now, smartphone exports by value have risen to 23.4% to a value of $9.84 billion during April-June compared to $7.97 billion in the same period last year. Now, electronic goods exports overall touched $15.2 billion and smartphones alone made up 64.8% of that entire total. So, in other words, nearly 2 out of every $3 of electronics leaving India right now are smartphones. And the single biggest reason for that wonderful jump has a very recognizable name. Yes, you've guessed it. It is Apple. So, earlier this year, India's iPhone exports hit a record 2 lakh crore rupees in fiscal year 26. Now, this makes Apple the single largest branded exporter in India, ahead of every other company in every other product category, not just electronics, my friends. So, when we actually put the full year in perspective, we would observe overall smartphone exports from India stood at around $2.6 trillion for fiscal year 26. iPhones alone made up for more than 75% of that, close to $22 billion. Now, this rapid expansion has been underpinned by the government's production-linked incentive scheme, along with reforms for special economic zones, higher budgetary support for electronics manufacturing, and recent FDI relaxations. Made in India, smartphone shipments grew 8% in 2025, powered by a 28% jump in exports. Now, these exports account for nearly 1/3 of every smartphone made in the country. Foxconn's Hon Hai posted a 48% year-on-year rise in exports in 2025, riding strong iPhone shipments. Samsung then grew as well, adding 4% to its export contribution. Now, all of it is actually aimed squarely at cementing India's position as a global manufacturing hub. Now, the United States has remained by far the largest market for India's smartphone exports during the quarter. Countries showing strong demand for India manufactured devices at a moment when global supply chains are being actively rerouted away from single country dependence. It's actually, honestly, quite a sign of relief. And here, of course, is the front page take. So here's the question I have to ask you. Let's get straight into it. Is India's smartphone export boom proof that the China plus one strategy is genuinely taking root, or is it a trajectory so dependent on one company that it's really an Apple export boom wearing India's flag? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.